up one day and I realized that I've been in this house. I've been living in this house. I've been renting this house since 2015. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I've been in this space for the past 9 years of my life. And I didn't even move. I was scammed this year of a whooping sum of 6 million naira. That is like $6,000. And that is when I realized that, oh my God, I would have used this money to level up my life. I would have used this money to move out of these places. Akumuntu here. Did they put nail on my head and knock it and say, you are supposed to be here. You are the landlord. I'm just saying that whatever money you have, trust me, you can afford the new life you want to give yourself. Use the money you've made so far to level up your life. Use it to change your life. Use it to level up physically, mentally, psychologically. You can afford the new change you need to make in your life. Whatever money you're making now, you should use that money to level up your life. You should use that money to make your life better. You should use that money to make your life easier now. It's okay for us to save for tomorrow. It's okay for us to save for the unknown. But trust me, even if you're saving for the next 50 years of your life, you need to make your life now better. Because how you live now determines how your tomorrow is going to be like. So it's time for you to move. Move! You need to make a change. The other day, I also realized that I was scared of moving. I was scared of the stress of trying to find a new place and making a change. Sometimes we are scared of new things. We are scared of change. That is how human beings are built. That is how we are built. We are scared of new things coming into our lives because we are scared of the unknown. It's normal. But you need to make a change. Are you not tired of doing the same thing over and over again? Are you not tired? Me, myself and I. I'm tired of comfort zone. When you're in your comfort zone, you're not even living. Nothing good actually comes out of the comfort zone. You end up doing the same thing, living the same life over and over and over again. It's boring. The worst thing that can ever happen is that, I don't know, there's no worst thing that can ever happen. Every experience, whether good, whether bad, they help forge us. They help make us a better person. We learn from every mistake. So what's the highest thing that can happen? Your new plan doesn't work. But you're living. You have stories to tell. Things are given in your life. There are changes in your life. Your life is not boring. You need to be thoughtful. That's my point. It's like you need to be strong. You need to make tough decisions in your life, because if you don't make those tough decisions, you're gonna be in the same place. You're gonna keep living the same life. And stop being scared. Stop being scared of tomorrow. Trust me, nothing can go wrong. Even if something goes wrong, so what? You won't die.